welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you 10 food hacks that you should know. These food hacks are carefully selected, and they are very useful for all of you health-conscious people out there. So without any further ado, let's dive into these hacks, one by one. Hack number 1. How to make your fruits and vegetables more appealing. It is commonly said that we should eat a minimum of 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. But what if you don't enjoy eating fruits and veggies? Well, here's a simple hack to make your produce more appealing. All you need to do is to add some salt and pepper to taste, and then put them in a pan and lightly toast them on low heat, tossing them occasionally so that they don't burn. Once they become crispy, remove them from heat and enjoy this yummy snack. Hack number 2. A simple trick to make your avocado last longer. We all know that avocados are super healthy and they're packed with many essential nutrients. But did you know that this fruit has a pretty short shelf life? Well, if you want your avocado to last longer, here's a simple trick for you. The next time you open an avocado, sprinkle some lemon juice or lime juice over it before storing it. This will prevent browning and extend its shelf life. You can also store it in an airtight container to maintain its freshness. Hack number 3. A quick and easy breakfast smoothie. If you're always in a rush in the morning, and you find it hard to prepare breakfast, here's a quick and easy solution for you. In just 10 minutes, you can make a delicious and nutritious smoothie that will keep you full and energized throughout the day. Simply blend frozen bananas, berries, spinach, and Greek yogurt together and drink up. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Hack number 4. How to quickly remove seeds from your berries? Removing seeds from berries can be a time-consuming task. Luckily, there's a quick and easy hack that can save you time and effort. Just blend the berries with water and then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This will remove all the seeds while keeping the berry flavor intact. Use this seedless berry puree in smoothies, desserts, and other recipes for a delicious and hassle-free experience. Hack number 5. Making your own fruit juice at home. Many people enjoy drinking fruit juice, but they often contain high amounts of sugar and calories. That's why it's a great idea to make your own fruit juice at home. This way you can control the ingredients and ensure that your juice is fresh and healthy. Simply blend your favorite fruits and vegetables together and strain the mixture. You can also add herbs, like mint or basil, for an extra boost of flavor. Hack number 6. How to easily peel and chop vegetables. Peeling and chopping vegetables can be a daunting task, especially if you're not very skilled in the kitchen. But don't worry, there's a simple hack that can make the process much easier. Invest in a good quality vegetable peeler and a sharp knife. With these 2 tools in hand, you'll be able to peel and chop your vegetables quickly and efficiently. For those who don't have a vegetable peeler, you can use a spoon to help remove the skin, and if your knife is dull, you can use a damp cloth to grip the vegetables firmly. These simple tricks can make all the difference when it comes to preparing your veggies. Hack number 7. How to prevent your leftover rice from becoming hard. If you're not careful, your leftover rice can become hard and clumpy, which can be frustrating and luckily, there's a simple trick to prevent this from happening. After cooking your rice, spread it out on a baking sheet to cool. Once it's completely cooled, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This will help to prevent the rice from becoming hard and keeping it fluffy and fresh. Hack number 8. How to quickly thaw frozen meat. Thawing meat can take a long time, but there's a simple hack that can speed up the process. Place the frozen meat in a Ziploc bag and then submerge it in cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes to ensure that the meat thaws evenly. This method is safe and effective, and you'll have thawed meat in no time. However, never thaw meat at room temperature, as this can promote the growth of bacteria. Also, avoid thawing meat in hot water, as this can cause the meat to cook unevenly. Hack number 9. How to give new life to stale bread? Don't throw away that stale bread. Instead, use it to make breadcrumbs. Simply cut the bread into small pieces and then dry it out in the oven. You can use these breadcrumbs in a variety of recipes, such as meatballs, casseroles, and burgers. They're also great for making fried breadsticks or croutons. This hack is not only practical, but also cost-effective. Instead of buying breadcrumbs at the store, you can make your own from scratch. Plus, it's a great way to reduce food waste. Hack number 10. How to keep your pizza from getting soggy. Soggy pizza is a common problem, but there's a simple hack that can prevent it from happening. When you're done cooking your pizza, place a paper towel on top to absorb any excess moisture. You can also sprinkle some flour on the paper towel to help absorb grease and oil. This will keep your pizza crispy and prevent it from getting soggy. In conclusion, These are just a few simple food hacks that can make your life easier and more enjoyable. From making your fruits and vegetables more appealing to keeping your pizza from getting soggy, there's a hack for almost everything. So try these hacks out and see how they can benefit you. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. Happy cooking! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. We've got plenty of videos coming your way that you're definitely going to love. Thanks for watching.